Whether your stock water plate is leaking or you're looking to clean up your rig's underhood appearance, why waste time and money trying to find a decent used or new old stock water plate when you can buy this kit? Consisting of a billet water plate, new gasket, all new hardware, a 3/8 inch NPT plug, and hose barb, this kit will have your factory or aftermarket 8-bolt intake covered. Machined from 6061 T6 aluminum plate, it's designed to fit factory and most aftermarket intake manifolds. Before ordering, be sure to confirm your intake is the 8-bolt design. Made for 1981 to 1995 2.4-liter 22R Toyota 4-cylinders, the plate features a 3/8 inch national pipe thread hole that can be sealed with the included plug or fitted with a 5/8 inch hose barb for your heater core or other accessories. Manufactured at our facility in the USA by the people specializing in your engine since 1985, LC Engineering Performance Toyota.